It's a 2008 Chevrolet Impala. The exterior is akin to an athlete in a well-tailored suit. Perfect lines that show off the strength beneath. Inside, the perfect fit continues with room for 5 and everything you need to take with you. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. AM/FM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, power windows, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, touring suspension, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive finds handling surprisingly quick and sharp. This is not the wallowing live axle barge from the 1960s, yet the ride is well damped and does a good job of filtering noise, vibration, and harshness. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Family-owned and operated Thayer Chevrolet Toyota has been exceeding expectations since 1935. We're conveniently located at 1225 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.